Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So on a previous video, I showed you how to prep and cook a turkey in a turkey bag in the oven. Okay, so on this video, I want to show you how to cut it up. Now, you may want to put your turkey on the table whole as a nice presentation, or you may want to cut it up. The purpose of cutting it up is you can feed a lot more people. You can save out portions of it that you want to save for other dishes later, tomorrow or something. Okay, but if you put it out whole, then you know people are touching it and cutting on it and everything. So you may not want to use the balance for other dishes. Okay, so it's a thought process with how you want to present it. So if I were you, and it's just my suggestion, I would definitely cut it up. You know, you can get a nice platform turkey, not platform, but it's a pitcher that you buy, and you open it up and you put it on the table with your other dishes, and it's a picture of a turkey. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, you go ahead and leave yours whole. But for those who want to cut the turkey up, let me show you how to cut it up. So I didn't want to just leave you with cooking the turkey. I wanted to take you through the whole entire process so that you'll know how and what to do with the turkey. Me, myself, I like to save certain parts for other dishes. Okay, and the only way I can do that is to cut it up. So let's get started, shall we? Thank you. Okay, here's the turkey that we cooked in the previous video. Okay, so let's go through. Remember, I tied the, well, you can look back on the other video, and I tied the legs. I'm sorry, I want to push my camera back some. That's better, you can see better. Okay, I tied the legs with a string that came in a package, so I'm going to cut that string and take it off. Okay, I have it now. It's off. Okay? Alright, now I want to take the turkey right out of this pan and put it on my cutting board. Okay, it's there. So the first thing you want to do is cut off the legs. And I also stuffed the turkey inside with onions. Let's take that out. Let's see. Let me get a bowl. I stuffed it with onions and celery. Here's the onion to give it flavor, right? Okay. And celery. So I'm going to take those things out. Okay, and you want to save this for your stuffing or your gravy, okay? Okay, so you're going to just cut down the leg of the turkey, and it should pull right off, okay? Okay, so the leg is off. So you can put this on your plate as a presentation. Let me show you that. Along with the other meat, and that will look nice, right? Or you can cut it up, okay? Okay, and in this case, I'm going to cut it up. So I show you both ways. So I'm going to cut down the thigh at the joint to separate the drumstick. Okay. Now this I'm going to put on the plate whole. Okay, that's a nice presentation, right? Okay. And then you have the thigh. Well, you can go right on the back and take the bone right out. Okay, let's do that. Just going to cut on each side of the bone. And I'm not sure if you're able to see me. Let me push this over. Is that better? Okay. Okay. So now we have the thigh that is bone free, and we can put that on the plate, or we can just cut it up. So let me cut it into chunks. Okay, I'm going to put that right on our plate that we're going to put our meat on. And I'll show you. Okay, any scrap meat, just put over here in your bowl. You're going to save that for another dish. You can make, you know, things like turkey soup or casserole or anything like that, okay? So you see I'm not wasting anything. Alright. So now we're going to do the same thing to the leg on this side. Just going to cut it right down and then pull down and it will separate. Cut through the drumstick. And now we have a whole drumstick. Okay, so we have two of them now. Now we want to just cut down again, down the bone, so we can free this bone off the turkey thigh. See how I'm just cutting down? It's a gristle here. You want to cut around this gristle. Okay, the bone is out. And now you have, again, your turkey parts. Just cut that into chunks. And you're going to put that on your presentation plate that we're making here. Okay. Now we're going to take this backbone out. This is the backbone, okay? This, we want to save all of the meat that's here. See, if you put the turkey on the table whole, you may actually not save this part because it will look like it's all picked over. Okay, see, I'm just picking the meat off the back part of the turkey. Okay, now this bone itself, I want to save for soup. Okay. So I'm going to put this over on this side because I'm going to save this for turkey soup. Okay, now we're at the wing. You see I turned the turkey around, so now the wings are pointed this way, okay? See? So here's the wing. I'm going to go right down this joint and cut it. You got to kind of go all the way in a little bit and then bend back at the bone joint. Alright, I freed the wing. Okay, we're going to put that on our presentation tray. Okay, and the same thing with this wing. We want to come in. Oh, my knife is slipping because my hand is slippery now. Okay, I'm going to break it off. That one didn't come off that well. I had to help it. Okay, so here's our wing, second wing. We're going to put that on our tray. Okay, so now we're down to the breast. And the breast, what we want to do is, let's just cut right down the middle, or you can put this on the plate as a nice presentation. So I'm going to show you how to cut it. I'm cutting right down the middle, and I'm going to have to turn this bad boy over, cut right down the bone. You're going to pull this backbone out. Okay, you're going to save that for your turkey, for your turkey soup. Alright, so now I broke the breast in half. I'm going to cut this wishbone out. Okay, so let me show you that. So this is one half. Got some more celery that came out. And this is the second half, okay, where the thermometer was, okay? Alright, so now we want to free the bone out of this half. I'm just going to, see what I'm doing? I'm just pulling that bone right up. This is your wishbone. You can make a wish. Okay, so remember, all the bones we're saving for the turkey soup. Okay? Put that over there. Okay, so now, let me show you. I have no more bone. See that? Okay. So you want to get the meat and put the meat on the tray. Minus bones. Okay. Let me free up the bone off of the second breast. See, I can pull it with my hand, it's so tender. So we're saving that. Okay, so the bone is off the second half, the second breast. Alright, so now you just want to slice this breast, okay, so that you can put it on your plate or save portions of it for soup or something like that. Let me wash my hands, it's slippery, I can't cut. Okay, I'll use another knife so that I can not have my hands slipping around. Okay, so now we're going to cut this breast. Just go right down, nice cuts. Okay, and now we want to put these cuts. Let me show you the cuts. See? Alright, so we want to put these cuts now on our tray with our other food, our other pieces of turkey. Okay. And now we have this last breast. Any pieces that fall off, just put it over in the bowl for your soup, okay? It's no problem. Alright, so now we're on the last half. I'm going to take the thermometer that came in the turkey out. You see it popped up? See that? This red part was down, and when it reaches temperature, it pops up. It popped up. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to cut this one. Okay, and let me show you that. It's all cut, you see? And now we're going to put this on our presentation. Okay, so we're all set. Any scrap, just put over in your bowl for your turkey soup, okay? So let me just clean this up and then come back and show you. Okay, so here's our bag of bones. It's the celery in here, the onions that were stuffed inside the turkey, all the bones, the backbone, the bones from the thigh, and from the breast, all the bones, okay? This is going to make some great soup. Or you can boil this and make turkey stock, okay? And you don't have to buy turkey base. This is it if you boil it. Okay, alright, now let me show you my presentation. If I had a big platter, it would look better, but I don't have a big platter, so you got to use what you have. So here you go. How about that, huh? And if you don't have a big platter, as you can see, it's okay. Use what you have. You like that? Now that's a nice presentation. Okay, so you see you can present your turkey in more than in one way. You don't have to put it whole. You can cut it up. And you can also, before you put it on here, take out what you don't want to put out so that you can use it for another meal. Maybe you want turkey sandwiches or you want something else to make with the turkey. Okay? Alright. So there you go. I did the whole turkey thing for you from beginning to end. So on this video, you now can play back and learn how to cut the turkey up, okay? And in that way, you can feed a lot more people. Let me tell you, you really can. But when you just slice it as you go, as the company come, you know, it may get wasted and that sort of thing, or it may not be enough, okay? So let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, try to make your turkey stretch for more than one meal, including for more than Thanksgiving, okay? So that means you're going to save out some for tomorrow. Because, you know, with my family, they come with bowls so that they want to take leftovers. So when they take all the leftovers, you end up with nothing. So you want to make sure you have something so you can enjoy the quiet moment tomorrow with you and your family, okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Share the video with others so that they know how to cut up a turkey. And it's another way of presenting your turkey on your table. You don't have to put it there whole, okay? Alright, so until next time, God bless. Check out my links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon link, as well as an Amazon link. If If you want to contribute to any of those things, please do so, okay? And I'll talk to you next time, okay? Thanks. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I forgot to get my thumbnail. Would you believe it? Gotta have that. Oh, wait. It's too high. Thumbnail. There we go. Okay. Alright, it's really goodbye this time, guys. Okay, talk to you.